Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a neat little accessory design to give your DJI drone flights a bit more confidence, specifically focusing on the remote controller signal. This is the Range Enhance Antenna Signal Booster, available as a double set, and it's made for several DJI models including the Mavic Mini, Mini SE, Pro, Zoom, and Air. Right out of the box, the first thing you notice is how exquisite and compact these boosters are. They're genuinely easy to carry around, fitting into just about any drone bag or controller case without adding bulk. The construction uses a copper post combined with silicone material. This combination is quite clever because it means the boosters are not rigid. They can bend without being damaged, which is a practical feature for something that attaches to a remote control that gets handled and packed away frequently. The flexibility ensures they won't snap off easily. The primary purpose of these boosters is, as the name suggests, to enhance the remote control signal. By focusing and directing the signal, they aim to effectively extend the flight distance you can achieve with your drone. For anyone who has experienced signal dropouts or limitations at range, the promise of a stronger, more stable connection is definitely appealing. It's about giving you that extra bit of confidence when flying further out or in areas where signal interference might be a concern. Installation is another area where this product shines. It's described as plug and play, and from what is observed, that seems accurate. The design allows for simple and quick installation and disassembly. There's no need for tools or complicated procedures. It's a non-destructive installation, meaning you're not altering your remote controller in any permanent way, which is always a good thing when adding accessories. You just attach them to the existing antennas, and they are ready to go. A thoughtful detail is the inclusion of film protection on the surface. This is there to prevent fingerprints, dust, and scratches from marring the finish, keeping the boosters looking clean and new. Speaking of the surface, it has a specular or mirror-like effect. This isn't just for looks. This reflective surface is key to its function, providing a very good reflecting effect, which contributes directly to better signal boosting performance. The idea is that it helps to bounce and focus the signal more effectively towards the drone. So in summary, this double set of antenna signal boosters for DJI drone remote controllers offers a compact, flexible, and easy-to-install solution for potentially extending your flight range and improving signal stability. The materials are practical, the installation is non-destructive, and the reflective surface is designed specifically for enhancing performance. It's an accessory aimed at pilots looking to get the most out of their drone's range capabilities with minimal fuss.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.